Hey guys, we just got the windshield laid down, everything, so now we're gonna take it down the road a little bit, see how it does. Hey Will, this is for you, buddy. Lay it down. It's absolutely awesome. I just had a bug hit me in the head. It stings a little bit, but it's awesome. A couple things I learned. Just watch and learn. Okay, we're back. Sorry for the light and everything. Just thought I need to post this video. A few things I learned. Alright, get your little Jeep kit that comes with Jeep to take down the windshield. I wanted to try taking down the windshield, driving around, see how fun it was. I learned a few things. Bought these through Mopar from Jeep. They come in a little bag. Just want to go ahead and tell you that this Velcro strap is not sufficient for 55-mile-an-hour winds. My windshield, these came loose, windshield flew up, so everything's already back together. Took this off. See if you can see the silver bracket up there. That actually, the mirror twist to go into that, it come loose, not the actual camera for the adaptive cruise control forward, so that wasn't working. Mirror was completely hanging down. Show you the bolts. I'll do another full video when we actually take the windshield down again, but there will be secondary safety straps along with these. The metal parts, plenty good the way it works, but if you're going to do anything more than just simply trail riding or anything like that, low speeds, the Velcro is fine. But if you want to take it off and really enjoy some wind in your face, make sure that you put another strap. So you have the bolts right here. Use a little bracket that comes with the kit, ratchet, to take those out. It's real simple. Flip open the sun visor, take that bolt out. There's 4 bolts. There should be a bolt on this side. You see how the bolt's kind of knocked loose. I'll tell you about that in just a second. But you got the other bolt on the passenger side. Same thing there. The actual nut is missing, bolt. Well, as I was driving down the road, when the windshield itself decided to come up, it actually took this bolt here, knocked them out. They're just pressed into the sheet metal, busted that bolt loose, busted the other side bolt loose also. The bracket stayed in, it didn't bust these 2 bolts out, so I have the 2 bolts up front that are holding it. Knocked the whole console down, mirror was hanging, but I was able to get everything back. Nothing, the only thing that broke was the 2 bolts.